Introducing the QRI 0922 INOX rough-in valve, equipped with a high-performance two-way diverter. Start by locating the min/max lines on the mudguard. Ignoring them could affect the trim installation later. Now, position and align the valve. Carefully calculate the distance from the mounting wall to the min/max marks. Ensure the finished wall won't extend beyond the max marking. This guarantees the trim will sit flush with the surface for a seamless look. Secure the valve with provided screws by installing a solid backing behind the wall. This step ensures the valve stays stable. Clean and connect the cold water supply line to the right inlet and the hot water line to the left inlet, using the 3/4 inch NPT connections. Make sure to connect the provided shutoff valves in accessible locations for future maintenance. Next, clean and connect outlet 1 and outlet 2. Outlet 1 can be used for your primary shower head, while outlet 2 can be directed to an additional fixture, such as a handheld shower or bathtub spout. Diverter allows switching between fixtures. Perform a pressure test to ensure correct functionality. Check for any leaks and verify that the water pressure meets the required minimum PSI for optimal performance. Prepare for drywall and tile installation. Ensure the hole is precisely sized so that the valve and diverter align perfectly with the trim, leaving no unnecessary gaps or voids. Keep the mudguard on until you're ready to install the trim. This will maintain the alignment of the valve and prevent any accidental adjustments. Staying within the min and max limits would result in a perfect fit for trim installation. If the finished wall extends beyond the max line on the valve, you'll need an extension kit sold separately and will add extra cost. The valve's versatility allows installation in either a vertical or horizontal orientation to match your design preferences. Once the wall is finished, carefully remove the mudguard to prepare for the trim installation. Install the trim rings and gaskets. Next, thread the diverter sleeve and slide the valve sleeve into place. Attach the spline adapter using the provided screw. Finally, secure the main trim head by loosening the screw with an Allen key, then retighten once aligned. The anti-scald is preset for vertical installation. When mounting the trim, ensure the red mark and temperature override button are aligned. For horizontal installation, clip out the anti-scald with a screwdriver, rotate it 90 degrees, and reinsert it. Ensure the red mark and temperature override button are aligned accordingly. Finally, turn on the water supply and test the system to ensure everything functions correctly.